Good night, dear people of the world. Welcome AEC shows. This night, we'll have a special program full of surprise and a lot of entertainment. Okay, let us begin. Section 1. Cooking. First, we're going to prepare an exquisite recipe. Salmon with asparagus. That is delicious and healthy. Ingredients: 2 salmon loin, 1 onions, 1 paprika, olive oil, 5 asparagus, salt, garlic, fine herb, turmeric, and milk cream. Preparation. Step 1. Wash the weak fish and marinate with salt, garlic, oil, fine herbs, and turmeric. In a pan, the red onions and the paprika. Step 2. In other pan, put the fish previously prepared so that different from one side or to the other. Cover for 3 minutes to remove broth. Step 3. We butter salt the asparagus and apply the substance to the salmon, then cook over low heat and serve it. And it look of this way. We accompany this delicious dinner with a white wine. Section 2. News. Welcome to the news today. There are the more important news of today. Hawaii volcano warning of toxic gas plume from Taliwa. People in Hawaii are facing fresh warning over toxic fine producing was more rock flood into the ocean. And the state continue to battle eruption from the Taliwa volcano. Officials say to lava flow has reached the Pacific, creating the hazard cloud now and lakes. The cloud contains hydrochloric acid and glass particles which can cause irritation and breathing difficulty. The USA geologic sweater the Kermer region can create hazy and natural conditions. The U.S. Hishi say and abstain. Geologists are warning that behavior of the lava flow remain unadaptable. Are they using residents to obey or raining from Hawaii civil defense? How Colombia is trying to prevent an epic tragedy. Builders and engineers are trying to finish Colombia level hydroelectric dam to prevent its collapse. The war and the Ituango Dam has become a race against the cloud, unless water in route to the pest stock that will ultimately generate power. The erosion caused by the changing the water through the engine room will eventually cause the dam to collapse. If the water in the reservoir raises faster than the worker can finish the dam, the whole structure will simply overflow and be lost. According to APN, the Medellin Public Works Company, in charge of the project, the work are 4 meters short to finish the 410-meter high dam. Andrés Iniesta capped his stellar career at Barcelona with victory over Real Sociedad in his final games. The Spanish midfielder 34 is leaving the league champion at the end of the season after winning 22 major titles in 16 years with the senior side. Fan formed a music with the Masons Forever Iniesta prior to the game. Iniesta were typically outside in possession, but the tired host needed a stunning striker by Philippe Coutinho to end their season with the win. Section 3. Entertainment. I want to recommend a good movie. Cobra is American action film directed directed by George Cosmo and starring Sylvester Stallone. It's a very interesting movie with a lot of action, intrigue, suspense. It's a good location. It's a movie about the policeman of the tedious method, Steve Temper, who fight against a criminal psychopathy organization which want to create a new world news order dominated by a stronger and take over the lives of innocent people. Thank you for watching.